Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have this 360-degree rotating tree stand with a speaker. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. And I have a tree, so we're gonna see how this thing works. Oh! Oh, it's turning! Oh my gosh, look at that! It makes music, and it turns. On the floor. Okay. So we can connect it to Bluetooth. But look at that! Oh, let's see if I can whoa. There we go. And look, now I have a rotating tree. How cool is that? And it had a plug in there too, so it just goes and does whatever it needs to do. Oh, you can turn the lights on and off. And then we could do music. I guess it plays its music, or I could connect it to Bluetooth. How cool. Very cool. Thumbs up, very awesome.